Task Manager is disabled? No worries. Here's how to fix it in seconds. Method 1. Using Registry Editor. Press WinR, type Rigidit, and hit Enter. Navigate to HKCU Current User, Software, Microsoft WinVersion, Policies System. Find DisableTaskMgr, double-click it, and set the value to 0. If it doesn't exist, right-click New Word 32-bit value, name it DisableTaskMgr, set to 0. Restart your PC. Using Command Prompt. Press WinR, type smad, and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter to open as admin. Enter this command, copy edit reg add HKCU Software Windows Current Version Policies System /v DisableTaskMgr reg a dword /d0. Press Enter, then restart your PC. Task Manager is back. Like and subscribe for more Windows fixes.